This video is going to be on eye insurance for vision insurance, and I've got VSP. And I've been online and I've read lots of comments, pro and con, about getting eye insurance. There are a lot of people that seem to be very angry with purchasing their insurance and feeling that it's not worth it. So I've got VSP insurance, and I'm going to try to explain the insurance and why it makes a lot of sense. If you need to get your own insurance, then this is a good deal. Now, if you work and they offer eye insurance, then you don't have to worry. Normally, it's just like $10 a month or something. If you have a job, they'll usually add something like $10 or $15. Let's say $5. If they add $5 a week, or $5 a week to your paycheck, so you're talking $20 a month. So out of pocket's about $200. Very rarely do businesses or jobs give you free eye insurance. They offer the insurance, but there is a deduction on your paycheck. And let's say, for example, that you've got $10 per month. That's still $120. So my eye insurance from VSP cost me $203. It cost me $203, then it cost me $208. So let's just assume a rough cost of $200. Now, if you are getting the benefits from work and you're shelling out, like I said, $20 a month, you're paying $200 a year out of pocket no matter what. If you go out and you buy the insurance on your own for whatever reason, because work doesn't offer it, or you don't have a job, or you don't get it and some other benefits, you're shelling about $200 out a year. And the complaints that I saw online are people would say they signed up for insurance in January, they went to a doctor and got an eye exam, got their glasses in January, and then February they called to cancel, and they were really angry that they, after paying a monthly fee of maybe $20, they were angry that they couldn't cancel for the rest of the year. They were upset that they got a year's worth of benefits for 1 month's payment, and they wanted to get out of it. That's not how insurance works. People who complain about that, they're wrong. VSP and all these other eye insurance companies, they will either bill you upfront for the year or they will bill you monthly. But you are in a contract to pay for 1 year. You can't just say, I want out after a month and walk away with all your benefits, collecting your benefits, and leave with a $10, $15, $20 payment. So people who say that, they're wrong, and they're uneducated about the whole thing. As far as, is it worth it? Well, I'm going to give you an example. You can see right now that it says I'm eligible for my wellness vision exam. My copayment is $15. So I'm going to an eye doctor and I'm paying $15 for an exam. Now, let's look at a couple examples. If you go to a place like Walmart that offers you glasses and exam for $50, then getting insurance like this makes absolutely no sense. You are getting educated, knowledgeable eye professionals that are giving you a product. I'm not going to talk about the quality of the product, or the quality of the glasses, or the lenses, or the training of the doctors. I don't know about that. But if somebody's offering you 2 pair of glasses and an eye exam for $50, they're your eyes. Do what you want to do with them. If you can't afford it, to go to a doctor that runs a business and has to pay for rent and their medical training, then and doesn't deal on a huge scale like Walmart or the other big stores, then that's up to you if you just want to do the $50 and not get insurance. If you're going to a place like Costco, Costco's got a really good deal too. They offer you lenses, and the lenses are fairly inexpensive, and you're getting a professional doctor. But what you're getting at these places, you're getting an eye exam, and you're getting your frames and your lenses. I don't know if they give cataract testing. I'm not sure. My doctor, not only does he do regular eye exams, he does cataract testing. Every year he takes 2 photographs of my eyes, detailed, in-depth photographs looking inside the eye, at the back of the eye, at the veins and the whole eye structure, so that he can tell what kind of health my eye is going through and if I have a problem or if there's a problem that's going to be coming up. I'm more than willing to pay for that, for those tests. My eyes are important to me. I also have a really good eye doctor. I can walk in off the street and ask them to check my vision, and they'll check it with no charge. I can walk in there and ask them if they can give me a sample contact lens so I can try it out for a couple months and see if I like it. They'll test me and they won't charge me. And at the end of the year, when it's time to go on insurance, they will bill me for the insurance. And when I need glasses, they'll bill me for the glasses. And if the difference between the insurance, having them send out the frames to grind the lenses and put the lenses in the frames, is more expensive than the doctor just ordering the lenses and putting them in the frames while I wait. It depends. You get what you pay for. My eye doctor is well worth the money to me, and money's not an object. I'd rather cut back on anything else, even food, to make sure that I get good eye care. So let's look over here. We've got $15 copayment for my vision exam. Now I'm going to zip back over here. My wellness exam is $164. My cost was $15. So I saved $149 by having this plan. $149 for my eye test, and the insurance cost me $208. So I'm only about $50 in the hole right now. Not a bad deal. It's cost me $50. I haven't made back the $50 that I've shelled out. Let me look and see if I have another thing. This is a hard one to see, but I think you can read it. My wellness exam, what do we have over here? I paid $25 for my wellness exam on this one. I paid $15 for this one. I don't know why the difference. Maybe, I don't know. I just don't know. But we're looking here at eyewear. My cost for eyewear, $25. My lenses were $148, and like I said, I pay a good amount of money to my eye doctor because to me it's worth it. I get good lenses. I get incredible care. I've gone in there long enough where they like me, they know me. I bring them pizza, I bring them candy, I bring them cookies, I bring them baked goods. I talk to them when I go there. I'm not just a patient. I get along with them. I really like them. And I'm more than willing to pay for good treatment, for good quality eye care. So right now you see the cost for my lenses was $148 without insurance. And then with the enhancements, $168. I paid $134. So $134, what was my savings? $156. You got the fitting, the total cost for my lenses and all the other things they put on there, $156 savings. So let's look at this, $156 savings on the lenses, almost $150 saving on the eye exam. That's a savings of $300 if I didn't have the insurance, and the insurance cost me $203. The neat thing is that not only do I go in there once a year to have my lenses upgraded, but the frames are covered, as we see over here. My exam, I pay the copayment. Contact lenses, I don't need those right now. But what do we have here? Retinal screening, images, copay $39. And they do that, like I said, every year. I'm not sure if the other places do that. Prescription lenses, coatings, you can see some of the copay is $25 for lens and or frames. And then you get discounts on all these other things. What do we have? We're at slide 5. Contact lenses instead. You can get contact lenses every year. Covers $150. Frames every year, $25 for the lens or the frames. So the question is it a good deal? Well, just looking at this alone, for my one pair of glasses, and I have reading glasses and I have distant glasses, for my one pair of lenses and my eye exam, that's a $300 savings, and the insurance cost me $200. And usually during the year or at the end of the year, I like to, because my lenses are all scratched up because I just, I'm brutal with them. I wear over the lens sunglasses, so it scratches them up really bad, and I'm just bad with my glasses. So the frames are ready to bend and fall apart. The lenses are bad and scratched up. So if I'm saving $150 on lenses for one pair, and I'm saving $150 on lenses for another pair, and even if I'm not, if I'm doing the glasses alone and the exam, I've already saved $100. And again, you can't do this with 1 month. You just cannot pay for 1 month or 2 months or 3 months or 6 months and then say, I'm done, stop billing me, because they won't bill you. You have to, you're going to be paying for that for the whole year because that's part of the insurance contract. You're not getting this thing for free. So does VSP make sense? Yes, it makes a lot of sense. If you were in a situation like me. Now, if you want to go to Walmart and buy your glasses and it costs you $50 for the 2 pairs of glasses and frames and an eye exam, $50 if you want to do that, that's up to you. Some people can do that if they don't have a lot of money and they just want glasses and they don't have a lot of eye problems or eye conditions. Then if that works for you and that fits your budget, great. Costco's a really good place also. Good prices, and I don't know if Costco takes insurance. I'm not sure if they do. I would assume they do, but I don't know. They have really good lenses too, and they've got very good care, and they've got good eye doctors. But if you're just going to be going to your regular eye doctor, if you're comfortable with that, you've got your own eye doctor, whatever plan, VSP, or there's another vision care company out there, and you're wondering, is it worth it? Well, if you don't have an eye problem and you just go in, if you don't wear glasses, you just go in once a year and get an eye exam. And like you saw from me, my eye exam, they'll pay my doctor bills $164 and it cost me like $15 or $20. So if your doctor charges $150 for an eye exam or less, and that's all you ever need, and you don't get the photos and you don't get any of the other testings, then you don't need eye insurance. Just take it out of your pocket, shell out the $150 or the $100, make sure that your vision's good and that you don't have cataracts, and then walk out of there. But if you're like most people, if you have vision problems, if you wear contacts, if you have reading glasses, if you have a distance problem, farsighted, nearsighted, astigmatism, you need an eye doctor. And what better way to spend your money except on your health? Your health is important. So should you get VSP? Yes, under these conditions. If you wear glasses or if you're getting at the point where you're going to be wearing contacts, then it's a good deal. You get a discount on your eye exam, you get a discount on the lenses, you get a discount on the retinal screening of the photographs, and you get a professional that's going to tell you if they see cataracts or if they see diabetes or if they see retinal, retinal detachment or other things that you really need a professional that is knowledgeable that's going to tell you you're going to have problems down the line and you better get them taken care of by a surgeon or an eye doctor that does those type of procedures. So my comment is yes. It is definitely worth it to get eye insurance, as long as you understand what it is and how it works. And you will probably save a good amount of money off of it. If you like my videos, please do a thumbs up, a subscribe. If any of these things help you and you want to donate to my channel, ask me for my PayPal info and I can send it to you. And there you go. It's definitely worth buying. And again, if you work and your company provides this, there's a very good chance, unless you have an amazing company that gives benefits away, there's a very good chance that on your paycheck you are being billed a monthly or bi-monthly or weekly fee for your eye insurance. And it's going to come out to about the same cost as if you buy the eye insurance on your own. So it is a good deal.